Hello friends, welcome back to another video of high heels designing. So how are you friends? I hope you all are fine and doing well today. I am going to share with you the most stunning and elegant ideas of high heels. I most suggest you to don't miss out the designing and watch the video till the end for more ideas and
You
more
can wear
collection
these
of
high
high
heels for
heels.
party wear, office wear
You
and
can wear
formal
these high
events.
heels for
Stiletto
party
high
wear,
heels give
office
the
wear
most classic and iconic looks
and
and marks
formal
you looks
events.
confident. Don't
Stiletto
forget to
high heels
subscribe to my
gives the
YouTube
most
channel and
classic
press
and
the bell icon.
iconic
Do like my video and share
looks
it
and
with your
mark you looks
friends. Thanks
confident.
for watching. Keep visiting my channel for more
Don't forget
ideas
to subscribe to my YouTube channel
of
and
women
press the
fashion
bell
and
icon.
style.
Do like my video
Till the
and
next
share it
video,
with
see
your
you
friends.
soon. So goodbye dear
Thanks for
friends, till the
watching. Keep
next
visiting
video,
my
see
channel
you
for
soon.
more ideas of women fashion and style. So goodbye dear friends till the next video. See you soon.